Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Welcome to IK Engineering with a new video. In this video we will learn that how we can create a surface profile or a road profile. In this video I will show you that how we can create existing and surface and design profile. So if you are new on our channel, so please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So let's come to the topic. First we have import points. As you know that we have made already a video on this. I select the format where I have the points, so I PNEZ mean point, northing, easting and elevation, and then OK. Now the point have been imported. Now create a surface for those points. For example, EG mean existing ground. If you want to change, you can change from here the contours interval. Okay. Definition and then point group. Apply and OK. Now the point have been imported but not looking clearly. So for that you should enter Z enter, E enter to zoom out our points. The points are so close, so go to the scale annotation and minimize. Okay, now looking very clearly. Now then come to the alignment creation tool. For example, I give the name alignment 1. Okay, center line, keep the center line as it is, and starting change is 0 0. Yeah, okay, all levels and OK. Now first you have to check curve setting. If you want to change, you can change from here. I want to say to leave as it is. Okay, now you have to select straight with curves, because we need a curves also for a complete road design. Press enter. Our alignment has been drawn. Now come to the profile and select create surface profile. Okay, we have a start change 0 0 and end change 0 plus 126.191 meter. Okay, now sorry, we got a mistake. Add, click on draw in profile view. here is asking create profile view general, select alignment or profile view name. If you want to change their profile name, you can change. For example, I give the name EG, existing ground. Okay, profile view style, if you want to change their style, you can change, then click on next. Okay, here is showing start change and end change, and user specified range. If you want to specified, for example, if you want to create profile on RD, and which RD you can type here, so we leave on automatic. Again click on next. Now profile view height, you can change here, minimum and maximum height you can change here. Click on next. Now here come and select complete level set. Okay, and next. Again next. Now a profile has been ready. Create profile view. He is asking select profile view origin. You can see that our profile has been created with all label sets. You can see where we need the long sections. Okay, not looking clearly, so you can go to the scale and minimize it. Again, these are so close, that's why not looking clearly. Okay, now if you want to edit a profile view, you can click here and right click and go to the edit profile view style. First information, if you want to change their profile name, you can change here. Graph, vertical scale and current horizontal scale, vertical exaggeration. If you change something here, you can change according to your need. And profile view direction, we have to left to right, and if you want to right to left, you can check here. We keep the same. Grid, the most important option. Grid option, if you to check this vertical grid and apply, you can see your profile view style. Okay, and if you want to change a horizontal grid, so you can see there horizontal. Now you can see your alignment that very clearly. Title annotation, if you want to change their text height, you can change. Horizontal axis, major tick and minor tick detail. I will show you that major tick and minor tick horizontally. Okay, these are major tick and these are horizontally minor tick. Now I want to change interval 2020. I want to on 40, and the minor tick I leave on 10. Okay, now you can see your horizontal 00 and 40, and the minor tick is 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this is our horizontal. Horizontal axis. Now come to the vertical axis. Major tick interval and minor tick interval. I will show you the major tick and minor tick. Okay, just these are the major tick and minor tick, means 390. Here is the elevation 390 and here is the elevation 392. Mean the major tick interval is 2 meter and the minor tick interval is 0.01 meter. Okay, so again come here, click and go to the edit profile view style. Now I want to change it. I want to change on 5 major and minor, sorry, minor tick is on 1, so I want to keep it on 2. Okay, apply and OK. Now 390 and 395 means 5 meter interval. You can change like this, and these are the minor 390, 390, 392 and 94 and 5. So in this way you can edit your profile view style. Okay, now I want to keep on the same. Now after that, display. If you want to change the color, you can change here according to your need. So I hope you got it. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will learn that how we can create a design profile. If you want to learn all the course, then you can subscribe our channel to learn Civil 3D. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.